lot of dollars, but we do this every week, though.